We'll guide you through how to fix Steam not opening or launching. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, click on the search at the bottom and go and type in Task Manager and go and run it. Click on the search at the top and type in Steam. Anything that pops up, you need to go and click on End Task, so it's definitely not running. Then what you need to do is click on search at the bottom again and go and type in run. And you need to go and type in percentage local app data percentage. Press OK and it will open up. In here, go and find the Steam folder. Here it is. You can right click on it and then go and press delete. Wait for it to delete, and then what you can do is try running Steam again. If that doesn't solve your problem, then open up Task Manager and close Steam again. Now go and open up your File Explorer. Come over to the left and go and find this PC and go into local disk. Go into Program Files x86 and go and find the Steam folder. Now what you want to do is go and delete everything in here except the Steam apps and steam.exe. So what you can do is go and select them by clicking and holding Shift. It should go and look something like this, as you can see. Now what you can do is try running Steam again. And what it's going to do is go and download all of the files, just like so. So go and wait. And hopefully that solves the problem.